Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly relevant and transformative in our modern world: how to use AI to improve your English. Whether you're a complete beginner just starting your language journey, an intermediate learner hitting a plateau, or an advanced speaker looking to refine those subtle nuances, artificial intelligence offers some truly revolutionary ways to accelerate your progress and elevate your fluency. Get ready to fundamentally transform the way you learn English. For decades, language learning often felt like a slow, sometimes isolated, and often frustrating process. Traditional methods involved tedious memorization of vocabulary lists, endless grammar exercises from textbooks, or perhaps attending group classes where personalized attention was limited. Finding consistent, high-quality, and affordable practice, especially for speaking, was always the biggest hurdle. That's precisely where AI steps in as an absolute game-changer. It's no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, now, and it's like having a dedicated, infinitely patient, and hyper-personalized English tutor available to you 24/7. Tailored precisely to your individual learning style, pace, and specific needs. And I mean precisely. Let's break down exactly how AI can supercharge your English learning across all key areas of language acquisition: speaking, listening, reading, writing, vocabulary, and grammar. Mastering speaking with AI. Speaking is often the most intimidating and challenging aspect for many language learners, isn't it? We get self-conscious about making mistakes, our pronunciation, our fluency, and simply finding native speakers to practice with. But AI completely revolutionizes this. Conversational practice and role-playing. Imagine this. You can engage in dynamic, two-way conversations and sophisticated role-playing scenarios with an AI. You're not just repeating phrases, you're having an actual dialogue. You can set up virtually any scenario: a mock job interview, ordering food at a bustling restaurant, debating a current event, discussing a movie, or even navigating a tricky social situation. The AI will act as the other person, responding naturally, intelligently, and contextually to your input. This allows you to practice real-life interactions without any pressure, judgment, or embarrassment. You can experiment with different phrases, make mistakes, self-correct, and learn from them in a safe, private environment. This is a monumental leap forward from just talking to yourself in a mirror or waiting for a human tutor's limited availability. Tools like ChatGPT, Bard, or specialized language learning apps with conversational AI are perfect for this. You can literally say, "Act as a hotel receptionist and I want to check in," and the AI will play along. Pronunciation refinement. English pronunciation, with its vast array of unique sounds, unpredictable spellings, and subtle intonation patterns, can be notoriously tricky. AI tools with advanced speech recognition and analysis capabilities are phenomenal here. They can analyze your speech in real time, often down to the individual phoneme, pinpointing exactly where your pronunciation needs work. Think about those notoriously difficult th sounds, the subtle difference between ship and sheep, or the nuanced rhythm of a sentence. An AI can break down each sound, show you the correct mouth and tongue placement through visual aids, and even identify the faintest errors in your stress or intonation. You'll get immediate, actionable feedback, something like, "Your sound is too soft here," or "Try to emphasize the first syllable in information." Many apps even provide an articulatory visualization, showing how a native speaker's tongue and lips move for a particular sound. This kind of precise, diagnostic, and immediate feedback was simply impossible to get on a consistent basis before AI. Apps like Elsa Speak are leading the charge in this area. Fluency, intonation, and pace. Beyond individual sounds, AI can also provide comprehensive feedback on your overall speaking rate, rhythm, fluency, and intonation, the rise and fall of your voice that conveys meaning and emotion. This isn't just about sounding grammatically correct, it's about sounding natural, confident, and engaging. AI can help you identify if you're speaking too fast or too slow, if your pauses are awkward or misplaced, or if your intonation patterns are making you sound unnatural or even robotic to a native speaker. It provides data-driven insights into your speaking habits, often presenting them visually, helping you improve your overall oral communication and sound more like a native speaker. Enhancing listening comprehension with AI. Developing strong listening comprehension is crucial for understanding spoken English in real-world contexts. AI offers innovative ways to hone this skill. Personalized audio content and transcription. AI can generate and deliver personalized listening exercises based on your current proficiency level, specific interests, and even preferred accents. This means you can practice with various accents: American, British, Australian, different speech speeds, from slow, clear enunciations to rapid, natural speech, and diverse genres of audio content, news, interviews, podcasts, casual conversations. Some AI tools can even transcribe spoken language in real time as you listen, allowing you to follow along with what's being said and immediately identify words or phrases you might not have caught. This dual approach of listening and reading simultaneously is incredibly effective for sharpening your ear and improving your ability to understand spoken English in diverse and authentic contexts. Imagine watching a YouTube video and having an AI-generated transcript appear that highlights words you struggled with, or offers explanations for idioms used. Interactive quizzes and summarization. After listening, AI can generate interactive quizzes or comprehension questions to test your understanding. Beyond simple multiple-choice questions, some advanced AI can ask you to summarize what you've heard, identify key arguments, or even predict what might happen next based on the audio. This encourages active listening and critical thinking, pushing you beyond passive consumption of audio. Improving reading and writing with AI. Reading and writing are fundamental pillars of language proficiency, and AI offers powerful tools to refine both. Reading level adaptation and summarization. AI can adapt the reading level of any text to your current proficiency. If you find a news article too challenging, an AI can simplify the vocabulary and sentence structure while retaining the core meaning. Conversely, if a text is too simple, it can introduce more complex language. AI can also summarize long articles or documents for you, helping you quickly grasp the main points, which is a great way to improve comprehension without getting bogged down by every single word. This makes reading more accessible and less daunting. Advanced writing feedback. For writing, AI is incredibly powerful for identifying and correcting not just surface-level errors but also suggesting improvements for clarity, style, and conciseness. Beyond just catching simple grammatical mistakes like I know understand instead of I don't understand, these tools can identify more subtle issues, missing articles, incorrect verb tenses, awkward sentence structures, redundancy, and even suggest more natural or academic phrasing for your sentences. Some AI writing assistants, like Grammarly, ProWriting Aid, or even built-in features in word processors, integrate directly into your typing, giving you real-time suggestions as you compose emails, essays, reports, or social media posts. This means you're not just getting a correction, you're often getting an explanation of the rule, examples, and alternative phrasings, helping you truly understand and internalize the correct usage. This constant, immediate, and detailed feedback on your writing is invaluable for making those rules stick and developing a more sophisticated writing style. You can also ask AI to paraphrase your sentences, expand on an idea, or even generate outlines for essays. Boosting vocabulary and grammar with AI. These foundational elements of language learning are also profoundly enhanced by AI. Personalized vocabulary acquisition. Learning new words can feel like an endless and often unorganized task, but AI makes it much more efficient, relevant, and personalized. AI-powered flashcards and spaced repetition systems are excellent. They analyze your learning patterns and present words at optimal intervals for long-term memory retention, ensuring you review words just as you're about to forget them. You can quickly generate flashcards for specific topics or input your own words from text you're reading. Beyond flashcards, AI chatbots can be fantastic for practicing new vocabulary in context. You can intentionally use new words in your conversations with the AI, and it can provide instant feedback on whether you're using them correctly and naturally. If you're interested in a specific type of vocabulary, like business English, academic terms, or even slang, you can ask the AI to suggest articles, books, or other content that heavily uses those words, at a reading level appropriate for you. This allows you to build a vocabulary that's directly relevant to your goals and interests, making the learning process far more engaging and effective. Comprehensive grammar explanations and practice. AI can provide clear, concise explanations of complex grammar rules and generate an unlimited number of practice exercises tailored to your specific weaknesses. If you're struggling with the passive voice, the AI can explain it in simple terms, provide examples, and then generate a series of sentences for you to transform. It can identify patterns in your grammatical errors and then create targeted drills to help you overcome those specific challenges. It's like having a personalized grammar textbook that constantly adapts to your progress. The overarching advantages of AI in English learning. Beyond these specific skill sets, AI offers several overarching benefits that fundamentally change the language learning landscape. Personalized and adaptive learning. One of the biggest advantages of AI in English learning is the truly personalized and adaptive learning experience it offers. Traditional methods often follow a rigid, one-size-fits-all curriculum. But AI-driven platforms continuously analyze your performance data, your common errors, your learning pace, your strengths, and your weaknesses, to tailor lessons and activities specifically for you. If you're consistently struggling with present perfect tense, the AI will provide more targeted exercises in that area. If you excel in vocabulary but need more work on listening, it will adjust the focus of your lessons accordingly. This level of customization ensures that you're always working on what you need most, maximizing your learning efficiency and preventing you from wasting time on concepts you've already mastered. 24/7 accessibility and convenience. Furthermore, AI tutors and platforms are available to you 24/7, anywhere you have an internet connection. This completely removes the logistical challenges of scheduling human tutors, finding language exchange partners in different time zones, or commuting to classes. You can practice anytime, anywhere, for as long or as short as you want. Got 5 minutes on your commute? Pull out your phone and have a quick chat with an AI chatbot. Need to review some grammar before bed? Fire up an AI-powered app. This incredible convenience allows for a much higher volume of consistent practice, which is absolutely crucial for rapid improvement in any language. Instant and detailed feedback. AI provides instant and incredibly detailed feedback. Unlike waiting for a teacher to grade an assignment days later, AI gives you immediate insights into your mistakes and precise suggestions for improvement. This real-time feedback loop is incredibly powerful for self-correction and faster learning. You don't have to wait to find out what you did wrong, you learn it right away, understand why it was wrong, and can adjust your approach immediately. This accelerates the learning cycle significantly. Cost-effectiveness. While some premium AI tools have subscription fees, many powerful AI features are available for free or at a significantly lower cost compared to traditional private tutoring or language school courses. This makes high-quality language practice more accessible and affordable to a much wider audience globally. Getting started with AI for English learning. So, how do you integrate AI into your English learning routine? Identify your weaknesses. First, figure out which areas of English you want to improve most: speaking, writing, grammar, etc. Explore different tools. There's a vast array of AI tools available. Look into general AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Google's Bard, or Microsoft Copilot for conversational practice and explanations. For specialized features, explore apps like Elsa Speak, for pronunciation, Grammarly, for writing, Anki, for spaced repetition flashcards, which can be AI-enhanced, or comprehensive language learning platforms that integrate AI like Duolingo or Memrise, though their AI capabilities vary. Experiment and personalize. Try out a few different tools. What works for one person might not work for another. Find the interface, feedback style, and features that resonate with your learning style. Integrate regularly. The key to success with AI, like any learning method, is consistent practice. Make it a regular part of your daily or weekly routine. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused AI-powered practice can make a significant difference. In essence, AI isn't replacing human teachers or language partners entirely, those genuine human interactions remain incredibly valuable for cultural nuance, emotional connection, and truly authentic communication. But AI is a powerful, scalable, personalized, and highly accessible supplement, providing a consistent stream of practice and targeted feedback across all aspects of English language learning. It empowers you to take unprecedented control of your learning journey and develop your English proficiency independently and at your own pace, pushing you towards fluency faster and more efficiently than ever before. So, if you're serious about elevating your English skills, I highly recommend exploring the various AI tools and apps available today. Do your research, try out a few different ones, and find what works best for your unique learning style and specific goals. You might be genuinely surprised at how quickly and significantly you see a difference in your confidence and ability. If you found this deep dive into using AI for English improvement helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on language learning, technology, and making your learning journey more effective. I'd love to hear from you. Have you already tried using AI for your English learning? What are your favorite AI tools or strategies? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.